Hello, Sir Franz! Kumusta po? Redmond Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, unboxing and testing tayo sir ng unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 4 Series T5. Okay, so this is the black, the all black version and with the silver outer barrel. Okay, so yan, sabog ko lang yung magazine. Ayan sir, so okay, so yeah, fiber optic front and rear sights. Okay, so stippled grip, magwell, sealant arms trigger, no? So ayan. Okay, ported slides. Okay, so ito yung magazine. Tapos meron siya kasamang backstrap and the pin kung gusto mo gamitin yung backstrap. Okay? So yeah. So, higpitan muna natin yung magazine. Okay. Bago natin. Ayan. Tapos, yung isa pang screw. Okay. Lagyan natin ng ano ba, gas. Gas muna. Okay, konti na lang to. Pero, pwede na to. Pang testing. Tapos, lagyan natin na konting bala. Lagyan natin ng 8 pieces. Okay? Usahan ko ang chrono. Okay. So ayan, wait. Ibalik natin ang base pad ng magazine. Okay. So always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay? So ayan sir. Wait lang. Okay. Game? So pag pinapasok mo to, medyo lakasan mo, huwag yung mahina kasi may magwell. No? So pwede mo rin i-check dito sa gilid kung pasok na pasok. So bago mo pinasok yung magazine, kapain mo to, yung gilid dito sa kabila. Ano? Ito yung mag-release. Kapain mo yan. Okay. So pag nakapasok yung magazine, kailangan same. Hindi siya nakaangat. Okay. So yan. Pasok natin. Yan. Ganun pa rin. Okay? Yan, kakasanan natin. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction and trigger finger out. Okay? So, ayun yung BB. Yun o. Bibitawan na natin. Okay? So, kailangan. Tayo ng tenga. So, ito na, firing. Okay. We got 376.7. 375.1, 372.9, 367.7, okay, open chamber. Last shot we got 342.7. Nag-open chamber siya, no? So, check natin kung bakit. Wala nang bala. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay? So, yan. Papasok natin yung magazine. Kakasan natin. Walang bala, kaya nag-open chamber. Okay? So, ayan sir. Hammer down. Okay? So, ayun Sir Franz, okay na itong unit mo. So, pwede ko na siya i-pack and dalhin sa courier. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.